Are you betting your future on Tesla stock? Before you put your retirement dreams on autopilot, let's uncover the real potential and real risks of one of the world's most talked about companies. Can Tesla stock truly make you rich by the time you retire, or is it just another high volatility investment that demands caution? Let us explore whether Tesla stock holds the power to turn today's investment into tomorrow's retirement wealth. With its groundbreaking advances in electric vehicles, energy solutions, and autonomous driving, Tesla has evolved into a global force shaping the future of technology and transportation. But the big question remains, can buying into Tesla today help secure your long-term financial freedom, or is it a higher-risk gamble in a fast-moving market? Tesla has long been a hot topic among investors, and for good reason. Its rapid innovation and bold leadership have earned it a place at the forefront of the clean tech revolution. From sleek electric cars to solar roofs and AI-driven robotics, Tesla isn't just creating products, it's reshaping industries. Naturally, many people wonder, is this the stock that could fund my dream retirement? We've all heard stories of investors who got in early and made life-changing money. But chasing returns without understanding the bigger picture can be dangerous, especially when your future depends on it. Investing in individual stocks like Tesla requires more than optimism. It takes research, patience, and a clear understanding of both opportunity and risk. The truth is, retirement planning is already complex, and relying heavily on one stock makes it even riskier. Tesla has seen periods of explosive growth, but it's also experienced major price drops. If your portfolio is too dependent on Tesla and the market turns, your retirement savings could take a hit you weren't prepared for. Volatility is one of Tesla's defining characteristics. Over the years, its stock prices soared and plunged, driven by earnings reports, competition, regulatory shifts, and even Elon Musk's tweets. This kind of unpredictability can be thrilling for short-term traders, but nerve-wracking for long-term. External factors also matter. Changes in government policy, supply chain disruptions, global recessions, any of these can shake investor confidence and send the stock tumbling. Even with Tesla's strong position in the EV market, no company is immune to broader economic trends. That said, Tesla's achievements are undeniably impressive. Since its 2003 launch, it has grown from a niche automaker into a multi-billion-dollar giant. Its consistent revenue growth, expansion into international markets, and push into energy storage and AI-driven tech are all signs of long-term potential. For investors with a high-risk tolerance and a long-term mindset, Tesla offers compelling reasons to stay invested. Historically, the company has been a wild ride. After going public in 2010, the stock soared, stumbled, then surged again during the EV boom. Investors who stayed the course during the rough patches have seen huge gains, but timing the market is nearly impossible. That's why relying on momentum alone isn't a retirement plan, it's a gamble. What did the experts say? Opinions vary. Some analysts claim Tesla is massively overvalued based on traditional metrics. Others argue that Tesla is still in its early growth phase and could disrupt more industries in the future, like insurance, robotics, or grid-scale energy. So where does that leave the everyday investor planning for retirement? The reality is, Tesla stock could make you rich, but there are no guarantees. The smart move is building a diversified portfolio. It means including a mix of stocks, ETFs, bonds, and possibly even real estate. Tesla might be part of your plan, but it shouldn't be the entire plan. Before you invest, do your research. Understand Tesla's financial health, leadership, product roadmap, and the competitive landscape. Ask yourself, can I handle the ups and downs? Does this fit with my overall retirement goals? Most importantly, do I have a strategy for managing risk? In conclusion, Tesla stock is exciting, innovative, and full of potential, but it's not without serious risks. Use it wisely, as one part of a larger strategy that protects and grows your wealth over time. If you found this helpful, share your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe Tesla is your retirement ticket tour? Are you taking a more balanced approach? And if you're ready to take the next step towards smarter investing, don't miss our next video on dollar cost averaging, a simple, powerful strategy to build wealth over time, even in a volatile market. Want this turned into a YouTube video description, thumbnail title, and hashtags too? Let me know.